outfit. I'll try to get a better picture when I'm inside. Guys, I've never been in here. Should I go in here? I've never been in the store before. It's really cute. All right, here it is. No line, so I'm just gonna walk straight to the door. Gucci. It's cute. Does it look as... The green looks off though. It's hard to see, but like, that's super cute. I might get these. This red is cute too. It's adorable. Oh, look at these. I'm just obsessed with the green. So cute. So... Oh look, they have a little Chi-Chi. That is so cute. And a little abstract, a little avant-garde. It's adorable. Guys, I'm so sad. I really want these. But this is a size 5 and they don't have my size. And I'm so sad. But I'm gonna try on these. And I'm gonna try on these because I think like they're kind of funky. Okay, what do we think? What do you think? Oh my gosh. I think for my foot is a little too big though. Oh man. They're so cute. Look here.
Let me see
with my outfit.
I can find them in another location as well.
Okay. Yeah. That's cute. Take it down. Okay. It's really cute. Look at this cute little baby. She's so cute. It's true green. It's not showing up green, but it's green. I don't know. I like this one. They both look good. Does it look like a picnic blanket or a cute dress? I wish it went in a little more right here. I could belt it. His pockets. Oh, what if I do like off the shoulder? Like that. It's a little more cute. What's up, guys? Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me, but I just left Kate Spade.
It didn't go into Burberry. I just didn't feel like it. I was like, they're probably not gonna have anything I want. I usually end up getting like t-shirts and stuff, so I'm gonna check out Forever 21 and then make my way through the bottom, then come back up because my essay's holding a bag for me at YSL. And I was like, oh, if I don't see anything else that catches my eye, then I'll get that bag. So I'm like making my rounds and seeing. I went to PRADA. I didn't see anything in there that I like desperately needed to have. They had this cute little black bag that's like my white one, but I told myself I was not going to get any more black bags. So even though I love it and it's cute, I decided to pass on it. So nothing from PRADA, nothing from Jimmy Choo. I'm going to go into Forever 21 and just see what's happening in here for a minute, and then we continue.
Are these cool or are they weird? This is cute. They definitely feel better. Friends are done. Made my last stop, got my last thing. I think I showed you I was in Versace, so I showed you some of that stuff. I went back to Saint Laurent because I decided that I wanted that bag. Did I show you the bag? I think I showed you guys a few bags. I don't even remember. But I went back and all of my big things I had shipped to me. So Versace, Saint Laurent, Gucci, and now I don't even have to worry about my suitcase at all. It's great. So I can get all the foods from my grandma and all the juices and all the everything, and it's all gonna be great. For work. I am exhausted. It's now, I can't tell time. 7. I think it's 7 because I looked at my phone before. I'm exhausted. Shopping is a sport. Okay, if anybody tells you shopping is not a sport, it's a sport. So after the outlet, I went to Kira. I showed you some of that stuff I tried on,
I ended up buying 4 things, so not as much as I normally do, which is fine, which is good, probably. Now I'm in Ross because I'm trying to pick up like a toy or something. Dropped it at my best friend's place. Then I think I'm gonna go home and pack and eat some leftover cake. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I am spent.